मतलब कि like it is trending and it's trending and how हर कोई रील बना रहा है लबूबू.
If you think Labubu is cute, you're already possessed. Meet our personal but good-looking and a very classy Labubu. I liked Elna's just because she was
She was
very
hot.
classy. She was very classy. I love Urfi just because she kicked out Sudhanshu even though she knew that he was an innocent. That to Urfi did a gochi na.
घंटा what she did?
Urfi
She was crying so she went and asked her क्या हुआ क्या हुआ क्या हुआ तो गाड़ मार दी उसकी. तो Hello and welcome to Thoughtfully Yours. I am Sudhika Bhansali.
And I am Akash Lavdi, and this is a conversation where nothing's too wild or too sanskari.
But it will surely make you think, what the fuck? Because we discuss it all.
वो सब बातें करेंगे जो आप बस सोचते हो, लेकिन कैमरा के सामने बोलने में आपको शर्म आते हैं. So today the first episode, and what's the topic?
What is your take on labubus? मतलब कि like it is trending and it's trending and how हर कोई रील बना रहा है labubu.
I have done some research. As a Christian, I think Labubu is a demon. It's Pazuzu. Have you watched Simpsons? They predicted something named Pazuzu will come, and they'll क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में?
Possessed.
Possess. They will possess. They'll possess.
Like an इच्छाधारी नागिन.
If you think Labubu is cute, you're already possessed.
I have a very simple take. यहाँ पे when the whole world is trying to copy like all our Indian trends, Kolhapuri chappals and Prada, we are going behind Chinese things. That's one thing. Second thing,
I think
it
you
is
mean Japan.
no, it's Chinese.
It's Japan.
It's Chinese. The guys from Hong Kong who made it something lung.
Hong Kong and Japan.
No, Hong Kong is not in Japan. Guys, Hong Kong is not in Japan. Hong Kong is not in Japan.
Sorry.
Do not ever say this.
My geography is very weak. I thought
Do not
Jharkhand
exist.
was the
No.
capital of Bihar.
No. So my whole concept is it's a really ugly toy. Very ugly.
Yes.
It has teeth. It is a baby that has teeth from ear to ear.
I think it's ugliest.
It's like hideous.
Ugliest. Hideous.
And I think 10,000 में तो हम बिक जाएंगे.
आप अपनी बात करो. हम करोड़ों में बिकते हैं. Meet our personal but good-looking and a very classy Labubu.
Yeah.
This is how dolls should look like. Nothing like that.
But इसके मैंने बाल काट दिए देख लो. बाल बहुत गिर रहे थे.
उसका बहुत अजीब लग रहा है.
अरे तो anyways, coming back to traitors.
Did you watch Traitors?
Yes, I did.
I thought that I will judge people who will watch Traitors, but I think everyone is watching Traitors now because it's kind of good.
Yeah, it's actually really nice and it was the perfect thing to watch over a weekend.
I liked Elna's just because she was
She was
very
hot.
classy.
Mm.
She was very classy. She was like,
Shut up. You like her because she was hot.
she was like, Traitors? Traitor ने किया. She was very hot.
You
She was
thought
very-
she
I like
was
Purabja.
hot.
I like Purabja. I wanted Purabja to win, but starting से लेके ending तक उसने बोला we need to be careful, we need to be careful. फिर
End में हक दिया.
के सामने इसको निकालेंगे, सुधांशु को निकाला. अरे सुधांशु का in the finale.
Sudhanshu came in the finale because he played it damn safe.
I love Urfi just because she kicked out Sudhanshu even though she knew that he was an innocent.
Sudhanshu ji, at his time, totally killed it, with the song. Oh Yara, Aja Meri Baho Mein.
I don't remember this in Traitor.
It was not in Traitors. He was in this music band called Boys.
He
Club
was an
Boys.
Anupama or something, huh?
I don't know about that, but he was in this
He should have
song.
called Anupama.
He was in this song.
Oh, Anupama se aata hai. The Anupama of this season was Sahil Solatia.
Who's Sahil Solate? I don't even remember.
The one who got murdered the first time.
Oh, poor thing.
I felt bad. After his elimination,
But
he cried on social media.
But he was good looking, yeah.
अल्लाह तुमने मेरे साथ क्यों किया?
ऐसे नहीं होता था वो.
तुम्हारे घर में केक लाया था 12 बजे. No, I should not be insensitive. But I like
Empathy is a
Elna's.
very important quality in a person.
Yeah, that's why I'm being empathetic towards Elna's. Elna's score.
If she had a dick, you wouldn't be empathetic towards
Love
her.
Elna's. No, she was very classy.
But Elna's now, from top to bottom, she was only acting stupid. मतलब कि मुझे तो समझ ही नहीं आ रहा भाई कोई इतना blonde नहीं हो सकता भाई साहब.
होते हैं मेरे पास दोस्त है जो लोग इतने blonde है. No offense. Now guess who was the blonde one? But है लोग होते हैं blonde. She was very classy. I like
You-
that. And she had.
Can you just agree to the fact
I
that-
just wanted
No,
Elna
no,
and
no.
Purab to be
No,
best
no,
friends
no.
and win.
No.
They could have recruited Harsh and they could have kicked Harsh out.
First, just agree that you liked Elna's because she was hot.
Yeah, that's true.
So just agree
I'm
now.
only about looks and outfits.
Good looks.
Good looks and
good looks. I feel Urfi played it very safe, and then she was like, "अब मैं निकालती हूँ सबको और मैं ही पैसे लेके जाऊंगी."
I don't mind Urfi winning. Why did the poker player win? She is nice.
Nobody threw her out only.
She's a very
यही बोल के कि हाँ कितनी डम है कितनी डम है.
She's a very nice person. But that's it. She's just a very nice person. She's very pretty.
She dressed well also. She was dressing decent only.
Okay, fine. This is a very controversial opinion, but
What? Don't say Apurva.
respect cannot be demanded. Siddhika. No. Respect is earned.
She must be a very nice person, but what she's trying to sell is that being rude is being cool. No.
No, but I think she is like that only.
अपने माँ बाप से भी ऐसे बात करती है वो. I have one problem with her. She must be a nice person, whatever. पहले तो वो बिना सोच समझ के बात करती है, कुछ भी बोल देती है. She doesn't give anybody respect. Forget giving Urfi respect. She didn't even give that old man. What was his name?
Ashish.
Yes, she did not even give Ashish G respect like the one who
Sorry, Ashish G.
Yes.
But she was very good friends with Jannat and all. Then how come?
So I'm not saying that she wasn't a good friend or whatever. But what happened to Pehan Code?
That to Urfi did a gochi na.
Ghanta, what she did?
Urfi.
She was crying that she went and asked her, क्या हुआ तो गाड़ मार ली उसकी.
Oh my God, but she told her कि मेरे को attention नहीं चाहिए. Give me some time, I need space. And she did not give. So she said, उसको जाना है.
भाई वो तुझे अच्छे से जानती भी नहीं तो ठीक है. उसको नहीं पता कि तू कैसी इंसान है. उसको प्यार से बोल देते मैं भड़कने की क्या जरूरत
after that even Urfi admitted ना कि उसने बहुत सारी चीजें बोली वो मेरे लेवल की नहीं है. And she regrets that कि उसने तो बोला कि मेरे लेवल की.
एटलीस्ट वो बोलती तो है कि ओके आई रिग्रेट इट आई शुडंट हैव सेड दिस व्हाट इज दैट वुमन डूइंग.
Because she did not do anything wrong.
एंड
She just said
ठीक है
कि
चलो अब मुझे ये बताओ जाते जाते ये बोलने की क्या जरूरत
I don't like her.
everybody.
No, she did not say that.
I don't like her. I don't ever want to meet her.
I don't love you all. I won't meet you all outside. Because she just said it what she meant. बहुत सारे लोग ने मिले भी नहीं बाहर जाके.
Who do you think was the best dressed in Traitors?
Elna's? Yeah, Elna's, please.
Dude, I like what?
Even that Black Magic auntie was also very nice.
Are you crazy?
But she did not. Bro, she had like... चलो ठीक है छोड़ो. वो तो मैंने इंटरव्यू देखा था.
Are you crazy? She was not dressed well at all.
I was disappointed with... I think it's going to be very controversial. But with Sufi Mokua. His dressing. not the
When
game.
does he not disappoint? रेड कार्पेट पे जाता है जज करता है पूरी दुनिया को और खुद झल्ला बन के जाता है.
कहते हैं ना खुद को पॉइंट्स भी कम ही देते हैं. वो खुद को 6 out of 10 देता है. Girl.
वो देता होगा बट लाइक आई मीन यू जज समबडी एंड द लुक्स इफ यू ड्रेस वेल ना.
No. What?
What why?
Now he can dress well. He took 10 lakhs. Tax cut के 7 lakhs. 30% क्या tax कटता है?
नहीं 30% कटता है.
Mention in the comments.
What is your take on income tax?
I don't want to pay. I don't want to pay tax. Give me tax.
You want tax?
I entertain
Tax
people.
for being what?
Entertainer. If you are sad and if you are looking for a companion, not that way. Lovely. Lovely pleasure services.
No, that sounds very wrong.
अगर आप दुखी हैं, अगर आपको एक कान की-
We are not selling what you think we are selling.
we are just selling our ears.
Selling
आपकी
our
बातें
ears.
सुन सकते हैं. तुम्हारा lovely.
So are you going to give therapy?
No, I'm just going to listen to people. Yeah, I'm just going to listen to people.
Who will listen to you?
I don't want anyone to listen to me. I have people who listen to me. Yeah. But
I
what do you
see.
prefer? Do you prefer someone who will listen to you and give you solutions or gyan, or just listen to you? What is your take on
When I want an opinion, I will ask for an opinion. When I do not want an opinion, बस सुन लो यार. Just listen. Guys, girls, just listen sometimes.
Just listen. Please.
Because
don't-
sometimes I know कि if I want to hate somebody, it's not right to hate that person. I know it's wrong. But just listen ना. हम थोड़ी भी जाके उसको murder करने वाले like in traitors, but just listen.
जब हम खुद भड़ास निकालते
हाँ
हैं,
यार.
तब हम भी पहली बार सुनते हैं. फिर हम खुद उसका विश्लेषण करके solution
What
देते हैं.
Leishan?
विश्लेषण.
What's that?
I don't know. It just felt right. I thought इसका मतलब होता है summarize, but ठीक.
I think Vishleshan means to like analyze, not summarize.
Whatever.
What is like the funniest advice somebody has given you when you're ranting, or the weirdest? Can I tell you? Just let it go.
Oh yeah, this too even I have gotten.
Just let it go.
I don't want to let it go. RR is my USP.
If I wanted to let it go, would I share it? I would have let it go, na? 33. I would have let it go.
Let it go. Let it go.
No, that song is not my vibe.
Even she did not let it go.
Yeah, she didn't. She froze everything.
Yeah, she did not let it go.
You can't let it go.
I don't like Elsa. I hate Elsa. I just like her outfits.
She's wearing one outfit through the whole movie.
I don't like her sister also. I don't think so. I like Frozen.
You know Moana?
I like the donkey. क्या?
Donkey, that's in Shrek.
No, तो एल्सा का तो
वो
घोड़ा था.
snowman था.
घोड़ा था क्या जो प्रिंस को लेके घूमता था, जो ओलाफ के साथ खेलता था.
हाँ हाँ वो घोड़ा था.
I
Oh
like
yeah,
the घोड़ा.
snowman नहीं Olaf.
Olaf.
Olaf. मैं Russian.
From
Olaf.
From traitors to Olaf.
How do you say Olaf? Olaf.
Olaf.
What's your take on 1,50,000 का प्राढ़ा वाला कोल्हापुरी चप्पल्स?
कैविटी दिख रही तेरी.
This is my take. And cavity प्राड़ा के दिमाग में था जब उनने कोल्हापुरी कॉपी किया. Inspired by लिख देते Indian कोल्हापुरी artists.
बट तू कोल्हापुरी चप्पल खरीदता नॉर्मली?
They look uncomfortable, but I think it's not my vibe. It's just not my vibe. No hatred, don't cancel. बना ही नहीं हूँ मैं कैंसिल करने के पहले.
Dude, you know, I'll tell you, to be very honest, Kolhapuri chappals were the OG Birkenstocks. Ask me why.
Because they're expensive.
No, Kolhapuris are not expensive.
Then
Because Birkenstock जब तुम चप्पल खरीदते हो, anyone who has Birkenstocks over here, they will agree. You need to wear them, break into them, तब जाके वो comfortable होती है. Kolhapuri chappals are also the same. They're hideously uncomfortable. Then you wear them for very long, and then they become comfortable.
I did not say it, she said it. I've never had a Kolhapuri chappal, but Kareena Kapoor influenced me
Are you gonna buy them?
to buy a Kolhapuri chappal.
Silver ones.
If it's 250 rupees, I will buy.
250 rupees का Kolhapuri, pure leather.
Is it pure leather?
Yes, Kolhapuri chappals are pure
I
leather.
like vegan leather now.
Veganism
forget.
is something that we do not want to talk.
Don't forget.
So this is how we end our podcast today, because we do not want to get into veganism.
I'll be too busy. My 250 rupees Kolhapuri chappals.
No,
I will get 250. Are you challenging me?
you are not going to get 250 rupee Kolhapuri chappals.
Next episode, we will see whether I got 250 rupees Kolhapuri chappal or not.
Anyways, aside from all of this, if you liked our I wouldn't call it a podcast. If you like our talk show, if you like being part of our buck.od, then please subscribe to our channel and we'll keep posting such ridiculously weird content.
Yes.
Bye.